Imagine waking up tomorrow and scientists announce, we found another Earth.
Not just a planet, but a world with oceans, clouds, maybe even life.
Somewhere in a distant galaxy orbiting a star like our sun, there could be a planet almost identical to ours.
New telescopes would focus on its atmosphere. We would search for one thing.
Oxygen. Because oxygen could mean life. But here's the scary part.
If that planet has intelligent life, they might also discover us. And if they are more advanced than us, would they visit, ignore us, or see us as a threat?
Finding a second Earth wouldn't just change science, it would change religion, philosophy, and how we see ourselves in the universe. Because suddenly, we wouldn't be special anymore. And the biggest question would begin, are we ready to meet our cosmic neighbors? If you love space and science mysteries, subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Want more mind-blowing